Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In today's video I want to show you how you can see the results of your A/B thumbnail testing on your YouTube video. Now, providing you've gone ahead and posted your video and you're running a thumbnail test, all you simply need to do here is find your videos tab in your studio, find the video that you want to look at. In my case, I've got how to apply masks in CapCut, and then we go ahead and click the analytics button. That will take you into the analytics page for this specific video. And over here under the title video analytics, you can see a tab. You want to click on the one that says reach, and that will take you to the reach page. And then further down the page, you will see the thumbnail test. You can see here in my example, I've still got 7 days and 20 hours left. I've got thumbnail 1 and thumbnail 2. In my particular example here, I've got one without my face and then one with my face. And we can see over here on the right, it says watch time share with 47.2% and 52.8%. You want to favor the higher number. This is implying that people right now are watching this for longer, which is what YouTube values. So in my case, thumbnail 2 without my face is much more favorable to the viewer. So once this experiment has finished in 7 days and 20 hours, if it continues the way it is, thumbnail 2 will become my default thumbnail. I hope this tutorial has helped.